Please go in peace.
Take a little cover if I was you.
Grimnir!
Great balls of fire!
I knew you proper geezer. What rock did you crawl out from under?
And it's true. Come with me to Wisconsin. When do we leave? When you can forge me a blade in the heat of your volcano. I'll make you a blade worthy of a god.
You trust him?
I know who he is. I can depend on that. I should have given you a gun.
Machine-made arms?